In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Clickup with Jira. We'll walk through the process inside Jira, using the Atlassian Marketplace to add the official two-way Clickup connector. By the end, you'll have the integration installed and ready to configure, so your work can stay in sync across both tools. First, make sure you're logged into your Jira workspace with an account that has permission to install apps. This is usually a site admin or someone with similar access. Once you're in, head to your main Jira dashboard. From here, we want to open the section that gives you access to apps and add-ons. Look towards the main navigation in Jira and open the area where your apps live. Depending on your layout, this might be under an Apps menu or a similar option in the sidebar or top bar. Click on the highlighted area that brings you into the Apps section. If you're following along visually, just click the highlighted navigation item shown on the screen. When the Apps section opens, look for the option to explore or discover new apps. Jira connects directly to the Atlassian Marketplace from here. Click on the highlighted button or link labeled something like Explore Apps for Jira. This will open the Marketplace view inside your Jira site. Now that you're in the Marketplace, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into that search field and type the word Clickup. This will filter the available apps to show anything related to Clickup. Give it a second to load the results. In the results list, look for the app called Clickup Integration for Jira, two-way Clickup connector. This is the connector we want, as it's designed to keep data flowing both ways between Jira and Clickup. Once you've located it, click on the app name to open its details page. On the app's details page, you'll see information about what the integration does, screenshots, pricing, and reviews. Take a quick moment to confirm it's the correct app for your Jira environment and that it supports your Jira version. When you're ready to add it, click the Try It Free button. Jira will then guide you through the installation flow. Just follow the on-screen prompts, confirm the installation for your site, and wait for Jira to complete the setup. After that, you'll be able to open the app from your Jira Apps menu and proceed with connecting it to your Clickup workspace according to the app's configuration steps.